Well, hello friends, welcome back to another video. So if this is your first time here, I'm Faren. I do natural hair, skincare, and lifestyle type content, so please be sure to subscribe. The least you could do for me is give this video a thumbs up or thumbs down just to help me out in the algorithm. And if you're moved to do so, leave me a comment, say hello, give me your thoughts. I appreciate all the feedback. So let's go ahead and get into today's video. Okay, so listen, I have a wedding to go to tomorrow, and not that I'm against shaving, but I am just kind of in this whole like waxing type mood. So when Tress Wellness reached out to me and offered to send me this waxing kit, I was like, absolutely, thank you. Like, why not? No, this video is not sponsored, but they did send me this waxing kit, and this is my first impression. And you can actually find this on Amazon for less than $50. I will have all the details in the description box down below, but the way it costs to be a person these days, I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and try this bad boy out. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be waxing my legs. So what do we have? We've got peppermint hard wax beans. We have lavender. I'm not really a big fan of lavender at the moment, just gonna be honest. Oh, what is this, lemon? It has to be lemon, it's yellow. Okay, yeah. We've got lemon. We have tea tree. Oh, that sounds soothing. And we also have, oh, eucalyptus. Oh, we can have a whole little spa moment in here. So we've got the wooden sticks, like I said before. I have already told y'all what was in here. We've got the pre-wax spray. I'm definitely gonna have to read my instructions. Oh, and it's coconuts in it. I know some people don't like coconut, but I love coconut, so that's cute. Oh, we've got some more wooden sticks, I guess depending on what part of your body you're going to be using. We have that after wax spray, which is to smooth and moisturize. Also coconut scent. Ingredients are paraffin oils, coconut oil, methyl, paraben. Oh, so it's definitely like paraben, sulfate free and all that. You know, just letting you guys know. And of course we have the warmer itself. Hold on, try not to make I'm gonna make a mess. That's just what I am prone to do. Here is the warmer. I'll show you guys here too. Oh, I'm about to drop it. Oh, I caught it. I caught the lid. I caught it. Oh, and we've also got the little spray nozzles. I was wondering where they were. Okay. And it looks like it's really easy to clean. Oh, I just love getting new things. This is the tin that goes inside of the little warmer. Probably should have like looked at the instructions before I really got into this. I don't know what these O-rings are for. I'm sure it goes like around the warmer, and I'm sure all of this is in the instructions. So I am going to plug this bad boy up somewhere and, you know, let it at least kind of like warm up while I go over the instructions with y'all and figure out what wax beads I'm gonna use. Okay, give me just a moment. Thus far, all I have done is pour. I just went with eucalyptus. I really didn't even think about it. I poured the entire bag into the warmer and I turned it all the way up. Oh, and the temperature is rising. Temperature's rising. Oh, we're not supposed to be singing him. Oh, sorry. So right now I'm currently struggling to get the pre-wax spray open. Okay, I'm back for the third time. And this smells just like coconut oil. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you. So my wax is still heating up. And according to the instructions, pour Tress Wellness wax beans into the pot and turn the temperature to max. For faster results, put the lid on. That's what I did. When the wax is half melted, take the lid off and set your desired temperature, 150 to 170 depending on the area. Since I am doing legs, I want to see if it has like any suggestions. It doesn't. Underarms, eyebrows, upper lip, chin and cheeks, bikini Brazilian. No, nothing for legs. Clean the area to be waxed with the Tress Wellness pre-wax spray and wait until it dries. Tress Wellness pre-wax spray will help your skin to be in perfect condition for waxing. So also, while I was setting up and I was glancing through this, it did say not to use moisturizers and lotions the same day that you are waxing. I am not getting back in the shower, nor am I going to waste the goodness that I put on my skin today. So we're just going to keep that in mind, that I did shower and I do have lotion on. So that could or could not affect the results. So I'm just taking the lid off. Ooh, that is hot. And I'm going to set the temperature to, let's do oh, it won't let me do 155. Can I do 160? We're gonna do 161. So right now it's cooling off. We're at about 215. So we have a few minutes. Okay, so real quick, don't look at my toes. I'm gonna try my best to crop my toes out. I'm going to give myself a pedicure tonight after this. But anyways, so the temperature is at 161. We are all green for go. I have shown you what the hair on my legs looks like, and we are as thick as honey right now. Hopefully this temperature is good. Oh, it looks a little runny. Let me turn it down a little bit. I think I'm just nervous that it's gonna be like hot. All right, so I wish I did have a scooper. Oh man, let me twirl it like I see Kellyanne do it. Okay, so I have the wax here, and I'm just going to, oh, that doesn't feel too, oh, that is warm. It feels good though. I'm just gonna apply it. Oh, that joker, like, it hardened awfully quick. So that is what we're looking like. I'm so nervous. And it says to wait 30 to 45 seconds. So I'm just gonna sit here and keep stirring. Just keep stirring. Oh yeah. I like heat though, so I'm gonna turn it back up to 161. Okay, so I feel like that has been 30 seconds. I should have been paying attention to my phone. I'm going to hold my skin taut. Let's start down here. And all right. Oh, I don't think I got anything. Y'all see any? Oh, yes, I did. Oh, I did. Oh, and it doesn't hurt like at all. And I feel like I didn't test like too large of an area. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is fun. I can do like a whole little spa day at home now. Okay, let's try this again. Try not to do the same area, so I'm just kind of like adjacent to it. Oh, I can definitely tell the difference in that temperature. That's warm, but I don't want to use like too big of an area, so I feel like that's good. Oh my goodness, I'm like impressed. I was very like, sorry, I forgot to have it on my phone, but like I said, I'm adjacent to where I was before. I am very impressed because, like I said, you know, like I had the lotion on, so I didn't think it was really going to like take, but it's doing the job. It is really getting in there. Like, it is getting those hairs, and it doesn't hurt that bad at all. Yeah, so I'm not going to sit here and show y'all the entire process, but I will come back and like, or maybe tomorrow I will show you what my legs look like. That looks a little ashy, but y'all, I like it. I like it. Okay, y'all, so it's been like 30 minutes and it's good. It has been good. It has gotten a lot of the hair off of my legs, but honestly, there's still a lot more there. So what I'm going to do, because y'all know I like to be thorough, right? I like to give things like a good chance, and because I had the lotion on my legs, I do feel like that is probably affecting my results at this moment. So I'm gonna try this again tomorrow morning. I'm going to get up and shower and not put any lotion on, and we're gonna try this again. But first impression, like, it's cool, you know what I'm saying? Like, especially like those first couples really did a good job. And I'm not saying it didn't get any of the hair off, it did, but I just want to see if it can do better when I follow the instructions. Stay tuned. It's gonna be tomorrow for me, but a few seconds for y'all, and we'll come back and we'll do this again, and I'll let y'all know, like, should you spend your coins or would you spend your coins? I'll be back. Well, friends, it's the next day. Obviously, I got out of the shower this morning. I didn't put on any lotion. I was ashy AF, and I went in and just sprayed my skin with a pre-wax spray and let that, I guess, sink into my skin while I let the wax warm up. Now I'll insert some footage, and honestly, I would say that it worked a little better, but I didn't see a big difference in me not having lotion on my skin versus having lotion. It still didn't hurt. It was very painless, to be honest. But I just, thank goodness my dress was kind of long, because it didn't get all of the hair like I wanted to. Like, I probably still could have shaved. And maybe if I was a little more intentional, maybe if I had a little more practice, I would have gotten much more hair. But my skin feels really smooth as I sit here and rub on my legs. I feel like with anything, there's a learning curve, and obviously this is my first time ever trying any sort of waxing at home, so maybe I had it on too thick. I ended up using like a lot of wax, like a lot. Hold on, like so much. So you know, that it could be my application. I used all this wax and still couldn't get all of the hair off of my legs. So yeah, but for $50, honestly, I'm intrigued. I'd be more prone to use this over and over again because it was only $50, and like, you can do this at least, I don't know, 5. I would say this is good for at least 10 to 20 waxes with all of the wax beads that they give you. You know, you can always find more of these wooden sticks. Like, that's nothing. So I definitely feel like you get your money's worth. And the fact, oh, I didn't use the after wax spray. I didn't really need it. And the fact that they give you all of this for less than $50, yeah, I will definitely be using this again. You know, if you are like me, and sometimes I like to treat myself at home, like take self-care Sunday to another level. And yeah, I'm probably going to use this on a regular basis, and hopefully my results get better. Only on my legs. I was going to try it for my underarms, but I was like, no, today is not the day. And I could definitely see myself using it on my chinny chin if necessary. So, you know, I wouldn't say 10 out of 10 highly recommend, but I would recommend this product if you are in the market for waxing yourself at home, painless, affordable, all that jazz. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I actually enjoyed doing it. It is so good to see you guys, and I will see you back in the next one.